In the heart of the forest, where every leaf had its own story, lived a bear unlike any other.
Come on, Botbot. You're gonna miss the mushroom pancake contest.
Just one more stretch.
But that morning, something strange happened.
Did I do that?
At first, it was just a game.
Woo-hoo! I'm the fastest thing that ever moved.
Botbot. That's not normal. That's spooky.
But time is not a toy.
Did I break time?
Only one creature in the forest knew the legend of the time bear.
You've opened the loop, haven't you?
The loop?
Your power doesn't stop time, Botbot. It rewinds it.
And every time he used it, a part of time broke free.
I thought I was fixing things.
Time offered Botbot one last choice.
If I break it, I lose everything I've done. But if I don't, the forest disappears.
One choice, one crack, one goodbye.
Goodbye, time.
And just like that, time moved forward again. The forest remembered him, not as the one who bent time, but the one who let it go.
He always said time was for sharing, not saving.
And deep in the forest, when the breeze feels just right,
He's still here.
and time kept going.